To the good people of Brekum, both at home and abroad, I send my warmest greetings to you all. This is the rebirth of Brekum. Nananom, distinguished elders, family members, traditional leaders, I greet you warmly and respectfully. Today is not merely gathering of family members and traditional leaders. It is a gathering of destiny. It is a moment of reflection, renewal, and hope. It is a moment when we reaffirm our commitment to our ancestors, our traditions, and the future of generations yet unborn. First and foremost, I bow in humility and gratitude to Almighty God, the creator of heaven and earth, whose divine providence has guided and preserved Brekum through every storm and every season. Through His grace, we stand here today with renewed strength and renewed purpose. I extend my profound appreciation to the elders of our royal families, both at home and abroad, whose wisdom, sacrifices, prayers, and counsel have sustained us throughout our journey. Your unwavering commitment to truth, justice, and welfare of Brekum has been a source of strength and inspiration. To all our chiefs and traditional leaders, I offer my deepest respect and gratitude. History will remember that when confronted with difficult choices, you stood firmly for truth, custom, tradition, and the dignity of Brekum. You chose principle over convenience, unity over division, and the welfare of Brekum over personal interests. For your bravery and love for our land, I say thank you. For your moral courage. To the good people of Brekum, I express my heartfelt appreciation. Through every challenge, you have demonstrated remarkable restraint, maturity, and commitment to peace. You have shown that Brekum is a land of civilized people who value harmony over conflict and unity over chaos. Your patience, prayers, and steadfast love for our town have brought us to this historic moment. Today, we enter a new era of Brekum. A new Brekum where freedom and human dignity is cherished. A Brekum where every citizen can respectfully express their opinions without fear of threats, intimidation, humiliation, or unlawful punishment. A Brekum where disagreements are settled through dialogue, courts, wisdom, and respect for one another. A Brekum where dignity of every individual is protected and cherished. A Brekum that respects traditional leadership. A Brekum where chiefs perform their sacred duty and responsibilities in peace and security. A Brekum where no one manipulates families, foments divisions, or creates conflicts for self-purpose. A Brekum where traditional authority is exercised with honor, integrity, and responsibility. A Brekum that protects its environment. A Brekum where galamsey, everyone says no to galamsey. A Brekum where people will not feel intimidated to stand up against those who are abusing traditional powers. A Brekum where the youth is respected in as much as the elders of our community are respected. A Brekum of justice and fairness. A Brekum where wealth is accompanied by humility. A Brekum where the rich respect the poor and no person is deprived of land, property, or through abuse of power. A Brekum where justice is not for the privileged but for all. A Brekum where transparency and development is cherished, where royalties, revenues, and resources are managed openly and responsibly. A Brekum where our collective wealth is invested in schools, hospitals, roads, and youth empowerment and community development. A new Brekum that remembers and honors our ancestors and our great kings, especially Nana Boakye Yadom, who passed away almost 30 years ago, and yet we haven't had a funeral for Nana Yadom Boakye, notwithstanding all his achievements, including Brekum Training College, Brekum Holy Family Hospital, Brekum Secondary School, Brekum Waterworks, Brekum Electricity, first chief, paramount chief that is in the Gold Coast that set up a scholarship scheme that has produced so many professors, so many engineers, doctors, teachers, and whatnot. A new Brekum that embraces every community. A Brekum where Abonofo, Asantefo, Frafrafo, Dagombafoɔ, Banafoɔ, and everyone is welcome. A Brekum that values communities as valued partners in development. A Brekum of love, unity, and reconciliation. A Brekum where peace is intentionally cultivated. A Brekum that respects everyone, including youth, our elders, and community leaders. A Brekum where peace, equity, and truth prevail. As I said before, to be a great leader, you must fear God, you must be bold, you must be truthful, you must love your people, and you must respect the authority, whether traditional or government. My beloved people, the future we seek cannot be built by one chief alone. It cannot be built by one family or cannot be built by any individual. It must be built by our collective effort. Let us therefore bury divisions and embrace unity to build the Brekum that we all desire, to restore Brekum's reputation as the known golden city. Let us replace suspicion with trust, conflict with cooperation, and let us replace fear with hope. My fellow citizens, the time has come for every son and daughter of Brekum to rise above their personal interests and join in building the prosperous, peaceful, and united Brekum of our dreams. Our ancestors are watching. History is watching. Our future generation is dependent on us. We cannot and we must not fail them. May the Almighty God bless our efforts. May Nananum bless our households. May prosperity fill our land. And may unity strengthen our people. And may Brekum rise once again to its honor, dignity, and greatness. May God bless Ghana. May God bless every citizen of Brekum, sons and daughters. This is Nana Kyere Boakye Tabiri II. Thank you.
Yo.
Abusiafo, we a very clean multi-purpose liquid detergent. Abedjasofo frokra. Very clean multi-purpose liquid detergent. Eti ade so.
Audio Jungle.